like
Yo, check it out.
first, I like dark complexion.
All right.
And it seemed like
Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. Cardi B, giving her preferences, of
one
course.
party up here, and you have a 1-2 talk with a man. Probably like him a little bit and him like you. Wanna exchange number in less than 24 hours, you know, that man there tell us say you're fame.
Jamaican men. We're going to get into it. It's the Mr. Show. Remember to like and subscribe. It's right
when
here.
You've never met emotional maturity, you misread everything.
All these women talking about they want a strong leader, provider. But remember, these strong men come with, they come with rules and regulations.
Yeah.
All right, I'm on it.
But I thought Jamaican men don't do that.
All right, I'm going to expose this brethren. I'm going to expose him for being a nyama. On camera. Almost the first time I've ever seen that as a Jamaican man. But let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show.
Yeah, why?
I guess I like
What you like?
first, I like dark complexion.
Okay.
And it seemed like every dark guy that I ever like, they're African American or Jamaican. I don't even like people I think that like is my race.
Okay.
Just because I like to date people that are different from me.
Yo, Cardi B. She just made every Jamaican's day. Real talk. Cardi B made every Jamaican man's day. Okay, what? Cause what?
Every dark guy that I ever like, they're African American or Jamaican. I don't even like people I think that like is my race. Just because I like to date people that are different from me.
Okay.
Like I like to date people that are not like me. I like their culture.
Right.
I already know my culture.
Right.
So I want something new to me.
All right. Shout out to Cardi B. One thing about Cardi B is that the ladies say that she keeps it real, yo. She keeps it raw. And shout out to Cardi B for that, for real. Big up Cardi B.
Jamaican men don't cheat.
Ravers, CLAVERS. Ding dong. Big up yourself, brother.
We are the most loyal, faithful, honest, honorable. Take care of our wife, our children, everything. We don't
Right. Family. We say family.
misbehave. We don't cross paths.
Right.
We don't cross bridges. We don't cross the river. We don't cross nothing. Jamaican men are the most loyal men.
Whether you like it or not, when a Jamaican man fall in love with you, him love you to the head. Like Chucky.
Listen.
All right, pranks and jokes. This is how to give your woman money. This is how to give her money. Listen to this.
Pitting them asleep.
Yeah. So what you waiting here for?
I just want to tell us a good job, you see me. You know, think so we can have one little quickie.
How quick?
So me I'll put $200 on the ground. And by the time you take it up, it's done. When me say done, I mean done. And you see money where you take up, are yours. You get for keep it. All that sound.
Okay, deal.
Jamaican men don't date. You go a yard, or you go on one party up here,
Right.
and you have a 1-2 talk with a man. Probably like him a little bit and him like you. Wanna exchange number in less than 24 hours, you know, that man there tell us say you're fame.
That's the truth. Jamaican men don't date. We claim. We take stake. We not date. We claim stake. You get me?
You belong to him.
All right. So, sometime a woman I talk about, she want to turn off the light. You know, it's a rude boy. Call it the dogs. We not turn off the light when the girl pretty, you know. We don't turn off the light when the girl's pretty, bro. So what?
Turn off which light? Me want to see now your blood clot jaw scratches. Me want to see now your jaw scratches. Me want to see your clit. Me want to see if your boom beat up. What you talk about? Me want to see if your clit long arm.
Yo, the Jamaican men cannot be beat.
Clot jaw scratches. Me want to see now your jaw scratches. Me want to see your clit. Me want to see if your boom beat up. What you talk about? Me want to see if your clit long on my seed. The blood clot here, me want to see your body. What about turn off light? Like we are bat.
Hold on.
want to see your body. You think about turn off light. Like we are bat. You think we are blood clot bat? Eh? You do your baby like it too we are bat to blood clot but turn off the light.
Baby.
Yo. Holy crow. Like a bat. Check this out. Rude boy. You ever try to talk to a woman and she don't get in a play? After bat, she don't even look at you and she say, you're not my type, or I have a man, anything like that? Well, check this out. Jamaican men, original.
Not my type, sorry.
Who try to see your body flat like blood clot? You put your head big like barrel. You put your foot big and dry like it. The lotion your foot, my girl. You come around and lotion your foot.
You're not my type.
After that, all she could say is, you're not my type, you're not my type. Come again, selector.
Light.
Baby.
You're not my type, sorry.
Who try to see your body flat like blood clot? You put your head big like barrel. You put your foot big and dry like it. The lotion your foot, my girl. You come around and lotion your foot.
You're not my type.
The lotion your foot, man. You even look like man royal. Where you go? Where are you to?
You.
Okay. All right, let's get more serious now. Now, just to set you up with some context. This lady here, the older lady with the white hair, blonde hair, I think they're from England, but it could be Irish. I'm not too sure. Let me get out of the way. But this lady here came to confront her son's so-called baby mother. So if you know anything in Jamaica, we have a thing named jacket. When a woman says that it's your child, but it's not your child. We call it a jacket. All right, catch a drama. Let's see what's going on with this one here. Let's go.
Filthy, filthy.
What are you on about?
You have trapped my Sean into having your baby, but not his, because I have got proof here
What are you
that
about?
you have been a scheming little...
No, I haven't.
Yes,
I love
you
Sean.
have. No, you do not. How can you look at me and tell me lies to my face?
I'm not lying.
You're an absolute liar.
I'm not lying.
Yes, you are a liar.
What are you on? What's with that?
So this is when I had the baby last week and last night. Seem to have him every bloody night, don't I? While you're off gallivanting. So I looked after him, I cleaned his teeth, and then I sent it off for DNA testing.
Do you know how creepy that is? Oh, without my consent.
I don't give a shit.
So creepy.
Oh, but
Shout out to moms, yo. Where is her beloved son, Sean? It looked like she tried to give Sean a jacket. A cold little winter jacket out there. Watch her.
you're an absolute liar.
I'm not lying.
Yes, you are a liar.
What are you on? What's with that?
So this is when I had the baby last week and last night. Seem to have him every bloody night, don't I? While you're off gallivanting. So I looked after him, I cleaned his teeth, and then I sent it off for DNA testing.
Do you know how creepy that is? Oh, without my consent.
I don't give a shit.
So creepy.
Oh, but you'll consent for me to look after him, will you?
For real. Fire shot. I don't need your consent to look after him now, don't I?
Week and last night. Seem to have him every bloody night, don't I? While you're off gallivanting. So I looked after him, I cleaned his teeth, and then I sent it off for DNA testing.
Do you know how creepy that is? Oh, without my consent.
I don't give a shit.
So creepy.
Oh, but you'll consent for me to look after him, will you, all night while you're out about?
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. Anyway, this came back from the DNA testers, and this says that you are the mother, and is Sean the father? Is he? No, he isn't.
Wow. Mama came over to defend her son and dropped the guns.
Some dirty skanky been out and shot somebody else, and
that's
then you've
not
come back
true.
and tried to nail my son. Well, he's not falling for it. You can.
Hey, I know you've never liked me, but it's going as far as making a fake
You
lecture
are
about
damn right.
that.
I've never liked you. Could just look at you. You can barefaced lie to anybody. You.
She told her straight, no, I don't like you. Because he's a liar. You is a liar. He's a straight-faced, bare-faced liar. Saying? Now, people, how do you guys feel about this pronoun stuff that's going on? Pronouns, calling them by the names that they claim they are. So if I said to somebody to call me God and King, I go by the pronouns God and King, right? Does that mean that everybody has to call me that? I make up a rule like that, and everybody in the world has to comply? That's how it goes? That's how it goes right now? All right, let's check out this argument. Make we check out the argument here. Let's go.
Actually started off to be a very productive, respectful conversation. However, he kept referring to me as cisgender. And I politely asked him, like, hey, I would prefer to be called a woman. I find the term cisgender to be disrespectful to who I...
How do you guys feel about that? I don't like the term cisgender or cis this or anything like that. I find it to be a little disrespectful, to be honest with you. If you're a man, you're a man. If you're a woman, you're a woman. Right?
Me as cisgender. And I politely asked him, like, hey, I would prefer to be called a woman. I find the term cisgender to be disrespectful to who I actually am as a biological woman or female. And at that point, he lashes back with, you're just a transphobic. I find this very interesting because the LGBTQ plus community will demand that you call them by their preferred pronouns. But the minute that you ask for that same respect in return, you're transphobic. You're a bigot. It doesn't work like that. If you're going to demand respect, you should also give it.
I like it. Poor baby. This little girl in the clip. I blurred out her face best I can. But yo, the little girl's confused, yo, and she's looking around for some confirmation. Like, what am I seeing? Let's go. Shorty, she had the right to be confused. Now, people, this is a serious topic right here about makeup. Makeup. So my question to you is regarding makeup. A lot of women say that they're doing makeup for themselves. I hear them say that, oh, I don't do it for anybody. I don't dress for anybody. I just do it for myself. I don't dress provocatively for anyone. I don't wear makeup and put on the lashes and Botox and all these things for anyone. They just do it for themselves. So the best question was asked on the Fresh and Fit show. If you do this for yourself and you're not doing it for male attraction, listen to this.
Do you go on dates?
Yes,
without makeup?
I absolutely do.
Can you show me a picture of you on a date, first date with no makeup?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Do you wear makeup to go to sleep then? No. If you wear it for yourself, why do you take it off when you go to sleep?
Because it's going to clog your pores. This can mess up your...
Yo, rewind that. That was the number one question. Do you wear makeup to go to sleep then? Why not, why not wear makeup to go to sleep if you're only wearing it for yourself?
Dates?
Yes, I do.
Without makeup?
I absolutely do.
Can you show me a picture of you on a date, first date with no makeup?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Do you wear makeup to go to sleep then? No. If you wear it for yourself, why do you take it off when you go to sleep?
Because it's going to clog your pores. This can mess up your skin.
There's makeup that you can put on when you go to sleep. Why not just put it on?
What makeup you put on? Wait, that's super weird. You don't wear it when you go to sleep because it'll ruin your skin. Doesn't it have the same impact on the skin when you're awake?
Yes, it does. All women say they want a good man until they actually meet one.
All right. Because a good man comes with structure, dominance. He comes with values. He comes with a hardcore way of living. He comes with discipline. And he's going to have his woman in place. She's going to have all those type of things. Otherwise, it ain't going to work. Otherwise, it's just simply not going to work. So let's go.
And realize they're not equipped to handle him. A good man is not convenient. Mm-hmm. He doesn't bend to accommodate chaos. He doesn't rearrange his values because you're emotional.
Right. A real good man has discipline, boundaries, and priorities that don't shift based on your mood.
And this is where women get confused.
Mm-hmm.
When you've never met emotional maturity, you misread everything.
You call him cold because he won't tolerate drama. You call him selfish because he protects his peace. You label him detached because he refuses to beg for your approval.
But that's not coldness. That is self-respect. A man who knows his worth doesn't move from insecurity. He moves from conviction. Good men don't chase drama.
What's the problem with dating in 2025?
Cinderella took off one shoe and found love. You took off all your clothes and couldn't find love.
Men don't like criticism. You think men take criticism worse than women? I think they could probably take it in a work sense, but in a
All right, so going back to the UK now, or Wales or Scotland, I'm not sure. But who takes criticism worse, men or women? Does men take criticism better, or do women take criticism better? What y'all think? Remember to like and subscribe if you made it this far. Give thanks and praise, you know. Enough respect every time. The Jamaican Canadian right here.
relationship sense, I don't think they take it
I
well
feel
at
like
all.
they take it better from other men than from women.
I mean, I don't really think it matters who it's coming from. Like if you, I don't know, if you've got a couple and a woman says, baby, come, you need to go to the gym, you know, like you're getting a little winter weight, honey, you know, makes a little joke about it. He will go to the gym. If you tell a woman she's putting on weight, what then happens?
I think the problem is in a relationship sense is women are very quick to criticize but not quick enough to praise.
Ooh. That's a little bit of cooking right there. Women are very quick to criticize but not quick enough to praise. What you feel about that?
He will go to the gym. If you tell a woman she's putting on weight, what then happens?
I think the problem is in a relationship sense is women are very quick to criticize but not quick enough to praise, and then therefore that's what gets men's backs up. It's kind of like, you know, I do all these good things, but you will point out that one bad thing that I do and you
live
will
on it.
henpeck at me.
You love my...
All right, so people, this video, this one here, I don't really want to do it, but I have to do it. I have to do it because it's the first time me ever see, and I've been on the internet since back in the days. ICQ, Black Planet, right? MySpace. I've been on the internet for a long time. It's the first time me ever see a man, a Jamaican man, especially he's an older man from the generation of don't. The first time you ever see a Jamaican man talk like this and say these things that he's going to say out of his mouth right now, what him want to do with fame tongue to feed our body. Boy.
You don't want me to cheat?
No.
Why?
Tell me that you don't enjoy that.
Enjoy what?
If a man kiss you from head to your body, and if a man put his tongue in your body, you're not gonna feel good about it. Come on, talk to me.
I mean, yeah.
Alright, I'm on.
But I thought Jamaican men don't do that.
Come on, don't say that.
That's lies.
You have enough Jamaican men do that and they deny it.
But check this out. This guy's on video. I'm not going to ask nobody their personal business, but this guy comes on video.
Check this out.
Right? Him come on video for come tell the world, say, he's just trying to pick her up. And he's just trying to say the things to her so that he can get to pick her up. But he's obviously dead serious, yo.
And if a man put his tongue in your body, you're not going to feel good about it. Come on, talk to me.
Are you hearing what he's saying? Listen closely, people. If you're not from the Jamaican dialect, you know, the patois, he's pretty much saying, like, if a man take him tongue and puts it certain places and, you know, she should enjoy it. And he's trying to entice her. Tinyamar. To blood clot, bro.
Gym, you know, like you're getting a little winter weight, honey, you know, it makes a little...
Let's go.
You don't want me to cheat?
No.
Why?
Tell me that you don't enjoy that.
Enjoy what?
If a man kiss you from head to your body, and if a man put his tongue in your body, you're not gonna feel good about it. Come on, talk to me.
I mean, yeah.
Alright, I'm on.
But I thought Jamaican men don't do that.
Come on, don't say that.
That's lies.
You have enough Jamaican men do that and they deny it.
What?
They deny it, so then they don't do that. Listen, you see, if I love you, I'm gonna put my 2 foot on your shoulder. Right? I'm gonna
Hold on. You're gonna put who for foot on which shoulder again? Well, and let's listen to that.
They don't do that. Listen, you see, if I love you, I'm gonna put my 2 foot on your shoulder. Right? I'm gonna use my tongue and you.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna use my tongue and to make you feel good. And you're gonna cry like from the
Not
bed.
cry.
From the bed.
I'm gonna crawl.
Yeah, you're gonna crawl on the bed like you're going backward like this. Because you're gonna feel nice.
Y'all can start the video when you're ready, but see your face there.
You're gonna feel good because I'm gonna do it to make you happy.
I'm telling you, these men got game here.
That's not no real game, eh? If I tell guys say I got nyamar. That's not no game, bro. All right, so you know, these guys that do this podcast, I really respect them. Darn, I forgot the name of the podcast, but it's really good. I watch it all the time, and they're talking about Jamaican men. Let's go.
The most important quality you gotta have is you gotta be Jamaican. Bad man.
What is it about Jamaican men that just had you so like
I
hooked?
don't know. It's the swag.
Oh, come on. Why you gotta be a hater? Let us bask in our glory for a minute, yo. What happened to you? Come on.
Important quality you gotta have is you gotta be Jamaican. Bad man.
What is it about Jamaican men that just had you so like
I
hooked?
don't know. It's the swag. It's regular to you, but to me, that accent.
Oh, the accent.
And guess what? For Jamaican men, especially back in my day, hearing that American woman accent was almost like everything. Everything.
Bad man.
What is it about Jamaican men that just had you so like
I
hooked?
don't know. It's the swag. It's regular to you, but to me, that accent.
Oh, the accent gets you. Okay.
The accent.
No, girl. If you want my number,
Okay. Now, this clip here is very embarrassing as a melanated man myself to watch how these young G's are getting down, yo. This woman is making this man pay her to speak to her. And if you young boys keep on doing this crap, we're done. The whole generation is gone. Generation Y and Z and Alpha, whatever, gone to Esh. IT. Gone. Look what not to ever do. Never do this.
gotta pay me. You can be in the vlog for $10. $10? Yeah.
I got it. What's up?
Okay.
For how long?
For CASHAPP.
CASHAPP?
Yeah.
I got a CASHAPP you talk to me for?
Yeah, $10.
Alright, word. I need you 20. Fuck it, I got cash.
Yo, $20.
I got cash.
Okay.
I better shut the fuck up, yeah, man. What the boy, man?
Yo, what happened to that brother, bro? One more time, Kimani.
You sound like a pussy one. And I better shut the fuck. You sound like a pussy one.
Right?
And I better shut the fuck up.
The man I got PR.
The
The
boy, man.
Yo, what happened to that man there, bro?
You sound like a pussy one. And I better shut the fuck up, yeah. $10?
Yeah.
I got it. What's up?
Okay.
For how long?
For CASHAPP.
CASHAPP?
Yeah.
I got a CASHAPP you talk to me for?
Yeah, $10.
Alright, word.
$10 to speak to her on Cash App.
Hey, 20.
And he's giving the Cash App so that he could send the money.
Fuck it, I got cash.
And he's like, I got cash.
You sound like a pussy one.
Gives her a 20.
And I better shut the fuck.
Yo, $20.
I got cash.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful,
Cash
you know?
in.
Thank you.
Oh shit, in my car.
Okay.
Yeah. Zero.
Yeah.
You got interest in men?
No.
You know, but back in the day, they used to say that marijuana was a stepping stone to larger drugs, which I never believed. But I guess some people, everyone's mind is different. Everyone handles things different. Alcohol, they said, was a stepping stone towards drugs and stuff as well.
You sound like a...
Right. Whenever I enjoy that talk, Benita, I didn't agree with it. But this Cash App, taking money to speak to somebody, is the very beginning foundation for a young girl into prostitution.
Yeah, $10.
Alright, word. I need you 20.
Getting paid for some kind of affection or some kind of emotion, something that she has to offer physically, like her looks, and he's paying for it, and she's happy, and she's the one that put it out there. So that means that she has a price. This girl has a price.
I got cash.
Yo, $20.
I got cash.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful, you know?
Thank you.
Oh shit, in my car.
Okay.
Yeah. Zero.
Yeah.
You got interest in men?
No.
So what does it take to be different?
I don't know. I'll know it when I see it.
You know when you see it? I ain't different yet?
Not yet, no.
Not yet? No. What does it take to be different?
And he got dissed.
You sound like a pussy.
He got dissed, yo.
And I better shut the fuck up.
Yo, he got
That
dissed.
boy, man.
That boy, that man, he got dissed also.
I don't know.
Let me get my check?
Yeah. I'll give you my Instagram.
I can look at Instagram.
Okay.
I can advance.
Yeah.
You sound like a pussy. Shut the fuck up, yeah. That boy, man.
I know God.
Yo, school him, my bro. School him.
Damn well, you didn't just pay this girl for some conversation. That's strike one. And not only that, she asked for $10 and you gave her 20, thinking it'll set you apart. That's strike two, sucker. And not only did you pay for conversation, once y'all start talking, she told you that she wasn't interested, as if she couldn't have told you that for free, as if you didn't know she wasn't interested by her charging you for conversation in the first place. See, dudes like this, they mess the game up for the rest of us, bro. These women run around here thinking that the rest of us is gonna be paying for some conversation.
And he a dang fool. He a dang fool. We're not doing that. So ladies, take that out of your head, bro. Take this video out of your head, because mans ain't real G's, top dogs. The man that you probably want, he ain't paying you to talk to you, yo. He's not paying you to talk to you.
Or paying for anything for that matter, just because sucker ass dudes like this is paying. Fellas, if a girl don't like you, ain't nothing you can do to convince her to like you. Plain and simple. Boy, talking about, you gonna give me a chance? Like, damn, bro, she don't like you, bro. Going on about your business. I ain't different yet. What it take to be different? Like begging, crying and shit. That's strike three, bro. Your ass up out of here. Then she gave him the Instagram. She basically just trying to get her followers up at this point. And homie gonna go back to the crib telling his homies, oh yeah, boy, I pulled me one. Nah, boy, you didn't pull nothing at all. Fellas, avoid doing what he did at all costs. Hit that.
This guy, I like this dude. I like how he talks. Avoid doing this crap, fellas. He a dang fool. That guy over there on the far left is a dang fool.
Like button for more free game.
Hit like, subscribe. This one is wicked. Can you imagine? Look what she gave him to eat.
And cookie and stuff.
I don't think you caught that. The girl said she bought some hog pum pum and slice it up and cut them up. And
nah, boy, you didn't pull nothing at all.
This.
Fellas, avoid doing what he did at all costs. Hit that like button for more free game.
We buy some hog and cookie and stuff.
You sound like a pussy.
That's why you have to cook for yourself sometime. But the girl wicked, bro. She wicked for you to do that, bro.
Who cook better?
All right, who cooks better, men or women? Caribbean men or Caribbean women? African men or African women? Let's go.
Caribbean men or Caribbean women? Because every time I go to a Jamaican restaurant, a Asian restaurant, a Trini restaurant, any type of energy, I always see a man in the kitchen. The chef is always a guy. I don't know maybe I kind of restaurant them that I'm going to, but we're going to put this to an end today. Who cook better? Caribbean man or Caribbean woman? Because I'm not gonna lie, my uncle them, my male cousin them can cook. I'm not gonna say my auntie them and my mother can cook, but the man them just have a different vibe in the kitchen. The man them have a different energy in the kitchen. So I want to know what's you guys' thoughts, and don't lie.
Thanks for logging in to Mr.
Do you have any idea why?
Remember to like and subscribe. Big up yourself. Share this video. Yeah.